Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I will show you how you can stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so for this tutorial, we are going to use Restream. So go ahead and open up your web browser and go to restream.io. Alright, so after you created your account, you will have two options to stream. So you will have start with studio, which means that you can start streaming using the website, and it is going to stream your camera and anything you have on your computer. And you also have setup for OBS and other softwares. Now scroll down and click on Edit Destinations. Now from here, you can click on Twitch and click on Connect Twitch. Now all you have to do is just follow the instructions to connect Twitch to your account and do the same with YouTube. Now you can start streaming via browser or via other software. So if you choose to stream via your browser, it is quite easy. You can just follow the instructions. But for this one, let's go ahead and set up with OBS. So I'm going to click on Setup for OBS. Now here, copy this URL and go back to OBS, go to Settings, and go to Stream. Now from this one, you can click on Custom, and here paste the URL that you copied earlier. Now go back to Restream and copy the stream key and paste it down here. Now after that, when you click on stream, it is going to stream it here on your Restream, and it will multi-stream to your YouTube and Twitch account. So that's it for this video, guys. This is how you can stream on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.